Welcome back to Over the Hill Yackers, where adventure knows no age. Today, we're taking to the skies not with our feet off the ground, but with cutting-edge technology in our hands. Yes, we're talking about the exhilarating world of flying drones. Drones, once the preserve of the tech-savvy and professionals, have now become accessible to all of us, offering a unique blend of technology, photography, and outdoor adventure. But what makes drone flying such a compelling activity for enthusiasts of all ages, especially for the seasoned adventurers among us? Firstly, it's about perspective. Drones give us the ability to capture breathtaking views that were once only possible in our imaginations or through the lens of a helicopter camera. From the majestic sweep of a mountain range to the intricate patterns of a winding river, drones allow us to explore and appreciate the natural world in an entirely new way. Moreover, flying drones is an engaging way to stay active and challenge oneself. Mastering the controls, understanding the aerodynamics, and learning the nuances of aerial photography are all intellectually stimulating. It's not just about the flight, it's about the journey of continuous learning and improvement. Let's not overlook the communal aspect. Drone flying often brings people together, creating communities of passionate individuals who share tips, experiences, and most importantly, time outdoors. It's a hobby that fosters camaraderie and friendship, bridging generations and backgrounds over a shared sky. And for those with a keen eye for photography and videography, drones open up a realm of creative possibilities. Capturing sunsets from above, filming a winding trail, or simply experimenting with aerial shots can add a new dimension to your creative work, making your outdoor adventures even more memorable. But let's not forget the importance of responsible flying. As we embrace this remarkable hobby, it's crucial to adhere to local regulations, respect privacy, and ensure the safety of both our drones and the environment around us. So, whether you're a seasoned flyer or just starting out, the sky's the limit when it comes to drone flying. It's not just about the thrill of the flight, it's about exploring new horizons, embracing technology, and connecting with like-minded adventurers. And there we have it, adventurers. As the sun sets on today's journey, we're reminded of the boundless possibilities that await us in the skies. Soaring beyond limits isn't just about flying drones, it's about embracing new horizons and the spirit of exploration that lives within each of us. Thank you for flying with us today on Over the Hill Yackers. If you've enjoyed this aerial adventure, consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell icon so you never miss an episode of our ongoing quest for adventure. Share your thoughts and your own drone experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from our fellow explorers. Remember, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep soaring beyond limits. Safe flights, everyone. Remember, adventure is not just out there, it's up there waiting for you to take flight. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep flying high.